Show me, show me. Oh, how are you?
Good. Yes, coming, please.
Welcome to Bali. Where do you come from?
Hello. Welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Padma Legian Bali. Start from Sugar Ray until Bali Aussie Sport Bar. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the session at the moment in Padma Legian Bali. Start from Sugar Ray until Bali Aussie. Okay, so if you want to know how the session right at the moment, just make sure to watch the video until the end. And as I'll tell you, today I make videos start from Sugar Ray. Let me show you around here. You see the sign? Yeah, Sugar Ray. Yeah, we hope together we will see a lot of tourists in Padma Legian Bali today. Wow, the Legian area, Sugar Ray. Always busy. That's good. A lot of tourists at Sugar Ray. You see that? Busy, isn't it? Welcome to Bali. Wow. It's busy, busy. That's good. Oh, it's gonna be backlight for the video. Welcome to Bali. Where do you come from?
Australia.
How long you been in Bali already? 1 week? 1 week already? Huh? 2 days?
17 days.
Wow, long holiday. That's big holiday. Is that school holiday now in Australia? Wow, that's good. Okay, enjoy your holiday.
We go back.
When you leave?
Where?
When?
Leave tonight.
You leave in tonight? Oh, very sad. Stay longer.
I want to stay longer.
Yeah. Next time. Where about Australia? Where about?
Queensland.
Oh, wow, it's very beautiful beach over there. I see that on the video.
My hair good? Surface power.
Ah, perfect, perfect.
My hair.
So pretty already. Actually, I just make YouTube. I make YouTube for update session in Bali. YouTube.
You want to post it to YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, follow my TikTok. Oh my god.
Let me know about your TikTok. Come on.
Bye, camera.
I just
So what do you promote? What's your promotion?
this is about update session in Bali.
Oh, okay.
So just like every day make video for Bali.
What are you promoting?
I just go to YouTube.
But what do you promote? What are you promoting?
Promoting. No, I just about Bali, but session in Bali. Yeah.
Promoting holidays or
Oh, let me show me. My closer. Follow her. Yeah. I also will follow you. my YouTube is Bali travel vlog. It's been
Oh, so set up now.
Bali travel vlog. Can you find it in YouTube? Travel
It's travel.
vlog. Wait. No. Better you go on channel here. You know how to make channel? This is through that here.
my emails are being compromised. My emails are being compromised.
This is me. You see me? Video on?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
I will follow you on TikTok also. Okay, enjoy your holiday, yeah? Have a safe flight for tonight.
Camera.
Have a safe flight for tonight. Bye bye. Wow. Day 2 week in Bali. That's good. Long holiday. Across the street. Also, yeah, future is over there. Not really bad. Okay, guys. As I told you today, I will make videos start from Sugar Ray until Bali Aussie Sport Bar. It's gonna be long walking today, but will be very nice. Even it is not really busy on the sidewalk, I hope this video will be will give you the information about the update fashion at the moment in Padma Legian Bali. It is backlight, but okay, maybe it's gonna be better. Make a zoom. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update fashion at the moment in Padma Legian Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the news fashion in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. This is the good Padma Bali. Not so busy, but few tourists inside. You see along the street in this area, wow, so quiet, so sad, so bad. Because now there is so many sport bar. Oh, this sport bar got few tourists inside. That's good. Yeah, one tourist inside. And there. Wow, so quiet. Why? Oh, maybe school holiday just over in Australia. So that's why it's getting more quiet in Bali. Wow, over there across the street, this is restaurant we call Yanti. Also a few tourists over there. Yeah, now I'm walking on the sidewalk, but empty sidewalk. Very sad. On the footpath. Whew. Quiet. Very sad. Loud music beside me. Yeah. As we know together, Padma Bali, to stay in this area, actually also recommended because just nearby the beach, easy to find a restaurant, recommended restaurant, and also for shopping for sure. But it is so quiet, it's very sad. If I turn right, there's Jakarta Hotel. Mark Grima and family will stay over there. Okay, let's keep walking until Bali Aussie. Maybe I walk until Romeo's. Hello, how are you?
Which one? Anything inside? Inside too. Yeah, $10. Everything $10 for my good luck only. Because very quiet.
Everything 100. Yeah, as he says, so quiet, really sad. Wow. Yeah, I know now it's like actually it's a low season for Bali, but it's just too quiet. website Fat Buddha, and usually I was busy. Fat Buddha. Oh, futurist over there. Not bad. That's good. Hello, welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Ngukur jalan. Halo, how are you?
Good. Yes, coming, please.
What about the business?
This
Good?
good. Yes, really good.
Yeah, but it's very
The name
quiet at the
Lamonde
moment.
Restaurant.
Oh, Lamonde, yeah.
Yeah.
Lamonde restaurant also recommended actually, but
Yeah.
usually when I come to this area, I was busy, but today maybe it's dinner time yet, so that's why not really busy yet.
Look.
Lamonde,
Yeah, Lamonde.
just beside
Happy hour.
happy hour.
Happy hour. That's what.
Let me show you here. 4 to 6 p.m. Wow, that's good deal. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Bye bye. They're waiting for you, so you should to come. Lamonde, yeah. Okay. It's very sad. I mean, like,
Boss, how are you?
bagus.
Bagus.
Always good. Over there, futurist over there is good. Yeah, they are trying to be happy, to waiting for you to come in, but so quiet. Really sad. And the next is Bali Bounty, also recommended restaurant. Wow, it's very quiet at all and Bali Bounty. This is Bali Aussie. Wow. Futurists over there, but not really busy. Really sad. Wow, how come so sad? How come so quiet? How come so quiet? No, how come so sad? Wow, really sad. Really quiet. I don't know why. Let's cross the street. Have a look at Romeo's. Well, futurist at Romeo's. That's so good. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Where do you come from?
South Africa.
Oh, South Africa. Oh, very beautiful there. My big brother from Holland. He married with South Africa. Just outside, see giraffe and everything over there. So nature, so beautiful country. Enjoy your holiday, yeah? Well, bye-bye. Wow. That's good. Long flight from South Africa. Okay guys, so this is our journey today in Padma Legian Bali. So what do you think? Not really busy, isn't it? Really sad actually. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the situation at the moment in Padma Legian Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlogs. Thank you for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Woohoo. It's quiet, really sad, really quiet. Wah, bloody wanker. Why driving so crazy?